Happy Tuesday. So option 1, just like yesterday, you have the option to conduct a lab activity at home. Again, this is only if you have the materials. It is not necessary to send anyone out to the store to pick up materials. It's your safety. The safety of those around you is the most important thing. So if you don't have the materials that show up on this page here in the materials section, please complete option 2. So everything is here, again, just like yesterday, with the materials, all of the directions and pictures to reference as you are making green slime. Once you have gone through the activity and you have made your slime, you have a couple of choices here. You can post a Flipgrid video. I'll have a link in there for that. Showing me your slime, as well as responding to some questions, again, just like yesterday. This information is all in that Google Doc that I had posted. If Flipgrid is not your thing, and I understand some of you are hesitant to have videos of yourself up, you don't like to have your face on the screen, or maybe you're feeling self-conscious about your voice, trust me, you sound the same on the video as you do in person. And some of you are worried about how relaxed you are looking now that you don't have to go out into public. That's okay. I promise you there's a reason why you aren't seeing my face today with these videos. So the other option that you have, if you don't feel comfortable with that Flipgrid, is that you can type your responses to the questions in the Google Doc and then insert some pictures. You can insert pictures of you with the slime, or maybe you have a younger sibling that wanted to help you out with that or enjoy some of that entertainment. But please don't stick it in anyone's hair or carpet. This is not about making anyone at home angry at you. This is just about a little bit of fun and a little bit of science. Okay, so please be wise with your choices. You guys have my office hours, so if you have questions, need help with anything, please make sure you log in then. Have a great day, guys.